condensation on the lens, probably, because it's cold in here. Keep comfortable, warm environment.
Oh yeah, that's true.
My sunglasses had condensation on.
Okay.
Let me still up.
Good morning, everybody. So it is a Sunday today, and I thought I'd do a little.
It doesn't cover your neck.
Oh, okay.
Does it look really silly?
No.
Yes.
When I were a lad.
That's all right. Now again, I've dropped off the box of clothes and I've made £10 from that box of clothes, so cha-ching! And now I brought this dress. This is an M&S dress. It still has the label on. Originally it was £19.50, but in the charity shop it was £8.
Condensation on the lens, probably, because it's cold in here. Keep comfortable, warm environment.
Oh yeah, that's true.
My sunglasses had condensation on.
Okay.
Let me still up.
Good morning, everybody. So it is a Sunday today, and I thought I'd do a little vlog because I haven't done one of these in a long time. We are off to Thames Chase today. We're going to go for a little walk round. Ted has a new scooter that I think he wants to try out on the hill and go down it really fast, probably. So yeah, we're going to go and do that, and then this afternoon we've got a few jobs to do. So I've got to drop off a box of clothes to someone. I've made a bit of money on Facebook Marketplace. Woohoo! And I think we've got to go to the high street as well.
Really?
Yeah, I would like to go to the high street.
Oh, we're going to the high street, okay.
Well, you don't have to come, but yeah, anyway. So yeah, so we're going to do that. Hal didn't know what we were doing anyway. So I'm going to go and do that. So I thought I'd make a little vlog today. And of course, I thought I'd take you with me. So we'll see you later. Bye!
Well, it's just the cold air on the back of my neck, that's all. With the hat, it doesn't cover your neck.
Oh, okay.
Does it look really silly?
No.
Yes.
When I were a lad.
Did you have a scooter?
I can't remember. I might have done before I had a bike. I can't remember, to be honest.
What did you ride on?
I would have had my right foot on it and used my left foot to propel me to move me forward.
I don't find that comfortable.
Well, you do whatever you find comfortable. I know you will. See, look, told you. You can't resist, can you? Do you want a starting line?
It's a beautiful day, I have to say. It's really lovely. It's quite cold, but it's really nice. We've gone for a little walk. I'm sure we're going to go for a cup of tea in a little while, and I'm sure, I don't know if we'll go to the playground or not, but yeah, it's been nice walking around. As I said, it's a really sunny day, but it is quite chilly. There is a bit of a wind, and that noise in the background is the M25 going past as well. You can't avoid it, unfortunately, here.
Ready? hotel as well.
Oh, nice.
Go and have a look around.
Yeah.
Come on, have a look in here, Ted. Ted.
Mum, you're meant to lick it.
That's alright.
I didn't know it. It's landing.
Right. There's a bit of milk here now. So I'll put the lid on. Put your lid on securely, not that it really matters.
Right, you ready, Ted?
Right. 15.
That's going to...
Ted got this little toy from a Lucky Dip in here, and he quite likes it. It's actually quite a good toy, really.
3, 2, 1, 5,
go that way.
4,
Yeah, it will.
2.
No, that's a 6 and a 10.
No, we're doing on suits. Doing on
Wait,
suit.
what? It doesn't...
That's what we agreed. It's a suit. Ted made the rules out. It's suits we're doing on rather than numbers. That's 1 or 11. You choose what suits you. So that could be 6 or it could be 16.
No, Dad, if you get 16, can you stick?
You can, yeah, if you want to. But you can also treat that as 6. You might as well twist and see what you get. So if you treat that as an 11, what have you got?
Wait.
21.
16, 18. I know we've got 21, so might as well go for it. 21. That's the result.
Hello, so we have actually been home. I didn't do any filming when we got home. And we've just come back out again. I've dropped off the box of clothes and I've made £10 from that box of clothes, so cha-ching! And now we are on our way to the high street. Ted wants to get some Match Attack cards, I think. They're football cards for anybody who doesn't know that. And I am going to go to Holland and Barrett. I'm not sure what Daddy Bear's going to do on the high street, but I'm sure he'll think of something.
Keep the change. Yeah.
Daddy as he comes out.
90p coffee.
Yeah. Hello, so we are back from the high street. We were only there for about an hour or so. I bought a few bits which I will show you in a moment, but I've got to go upstairs in a little while and I've got to print out some labels for my eBay stuff. And I've got to package those up. I'm hoping that the Royal Mail will still come and collect them, otherwise I will have to go to the post office tomorrow. One person still hasn't paid, which is annoying because I really want to print these labels out. So I'm just going to go and print out the ones I've got already and then hope that the other person pays very soon. We went to a charity shop on the high street as well. It's called Reloved, so it's clothes that are from places like Marks and Spencer's and Wallace. It's meant to be a bit more upmarket, and I actually bought a dress while I was in there, so I'll show you that. And I went to Holland and Barrett and I got a few bits as well, so I'll show you those now. So I brought this dress. This is an M&S dress. It still has the label on. Originally it was £19.50, but in the charity shop it was £8. And I just thought it was a really nice blue dress, and I thought I could wear this with a pair of leggings and maybe a belt around the middle, I'm not sure yet. So I really like this dress. And then we also went to Holland & Barrett as well, and I got some tea tree nail solutions for my horrible nails. I'm hoping this helps. I have been putting oregano oil and tea tree oil on my nails to see, and they are starting to clear a little bit, but I thought I'd just try this Dr. Organic nail solution. And then I also got some aloe vera gel as well, and we did buy some seaweed crisps, some cheesy seaweed crisps which were vegan. Ted ate most of them but we threw away the packet, so I haven't got the packet, but if I buy them again, I will show you probably in a favourites video. So yeah, that's what I bought. Hello, sorry about the weird lighting in here. It's just gone dark outside. It's only about 5 o'clock at the moment, but it always feels like night time when it goes dark. Does anybody else feel like that? Like, oh, it's time for bed now? I always feel like, oh, it's time for bed now, but it's not, because it's only 5 o'clock, so it's just a bit weird. Anyway, I've done my eBaying, and one person I think may have sent me the wrong address, or has the wrong address on eBay, because I went to post it to them, and I went to the Royal Mail website to put their address in, and it didn't come up with the number that they'd sent me. It came up with the same address, and the postcode was there and everything, but the number that they'd sent me wasn't actually on the Royal Mail website. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I've sent them a message to say, is this the correct address? Can you let me know? They haven't come back to me yet, but I've managed to send out one parcel, which is good, and I've nearly got rid of all of Ted's old things now. So I've nearly got rid of all his clothes in the spare room. So I've only got a couple of boxes left and a few bits still to put on eBay. So I'm really pleased with what I've actually achieved in the past month. So that's good. And then tomorrow I've got to go to the charity shop as well and drop off some bits there. There were some clothes that he had that were like year 4, I think. So he had them when he was 4, and he did wear his clothes a lot longer then, so they're a bit more worn. And I thought to myself, I don't really want to sell these on eBay because they are quite worn, so I thought I'm just going to take those to the charity shop. And there are a few other things that need to go to the charity shop as well. So yeah, nearly there. I think next week I'm going to try and tidy up the spare room, because that's a job that really needs doing. And then I've got some jobs to do around the house as well, so I can get on with those now, which I'm really pleased about as well. So I'm off to cook dinner now. Ted and Howard are downstairs playing, I think it's pontoon. I think Howard's dad taught it to him, and Howard taught it to Ted today. So that's really, I think that's quite sweet actually, the way something like that brings back memories for the person who's teaching it to the other person. I think it's nice that it's gone through the generations as well. So yeah, they're downstairs playing that, and I'm off to cook dinner, and then it will be bed and bath for Ted tonight. No, bath and bed, sorry. We don't have a bath anymore actually, he has a shower now, so I'll have to shower him and then put him to bed. It's my turn to put him to bed tonight. Howard and I have swapped round the Sunday, alternating Sundays for a Saturday. Because Ted has a movie night on a Saturday, he always goes to bed a bit later, and he stopped having a shower on a Saturday. He just gets into his pyjamas and then gets into bed after the movie night. So we've swapped the Saturday, because it was me putting him to bed on a Saturday and then we'd alternate the Sunday, and I said it's a bit unfair, so we're alternating the Saturday now. So I'm putting Ted to bed tonight, so that's my night to put him to bed. And yeah, that's about it really. As I said, I'm off downstairs to cook dinner. We are having a goat curry. Shh, don't tell the boys. I don't know how this is going to turn out. It might be awful, but I'm fingers crossed. It does smell really nice, I have to say. So yeah, it's the first time I've ever cooked with goat, so I'm looking forward to trying it. I'm just going to go and boil some rice, and we've got like a curry to go with it. So yeah, fingers crossed, and I will let you know how it is in a little while. Hello, so I've done it again. I've just uploaded all of the footage to my computer, and I've realised I haven't done an outro, and I left you at a cliffhanger yesterday. We had goat curry for tea, for dinner, and and I said I hadn't told the boys what it was. Well, I told them last night. Ted really liked it. He gave it a 7.8, everybody, whatever that means. 7.8 out of 10, I think it means. Howard actually stopped eating his after I told him it was goat. He wasn't too pleased with me that I'd put goat in his curry. So I'm sorry, Howard. But he said to me, "You should have asked me." And I said, "What would you have said if I said, do you fancy goat curry?" And he would have been like, "No." So I thought, instead of like make a big thing out of it, I'll just get them to try it and see what they thought. But Howard said he didn't like it. He just didn't like the thought of eating goat. So that's fair enough. And next time I will have to be quite honest with him, I think. So anyway, but Ted and I really liked it. It's quite a meaty flavour, obviously, it's meat. It's a bit like lamb, but it's also a bit like beef. So it's a bit less fatty than lamb. I thought it was really nice. It is quite a strong flavour, but it's lovely. And the curry was delicious yesterday as well. We had a lovely day yesterday. It was really nice. It was really nice to go to Thames Chase and have a little walk round and then go to the high street in the afternoon as well. So yeah, we've had a great weekend. And I think I'm going to leave this video here. I've got lots coming on my channel, so just watch out for everything. And I will see you soon. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.